Lord, in your great love, answer me. Lord, in your great love, answer me. For your sake I were in sorrow, and shame covers my face. I have become an outcast to my brothers, a stranger to my mother's children. Because zeal for your house consumes me, and the insults of those who blaspheme you fall upon me. Lord, in your great love, answer me. I pray to you, O Lord, for the time of your favor, O God. In your great kindness answer me with your constant help. Answer me, O Lord, for bounteous is your kindness, in your great mercy turn toward me. Lord, in your great love, answer me. See the lowly ones and be glad. You seek God, may your hearts revive. For the Lord hears the poor and his own who are in